These days, it feels like everyone is searching for the next big thing to get rich quick, whether it's crypto, forex, or the latest side hustle trending on social media. You see people talking about overnight millionaires, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But let's be real. Most of these so-called shortcuts are risky, confusing, and sometimes even scams. So what if I told you there's a smarter, more reliable way to build wealth right here in Nigeria? That's right. There's a gold mine sitting right under our noses, and it's called the Nigerian stock market. It's not some distant foreign thing. It's right here, woven into the fabric of our economy, and it's been quietly making people wealthy for decades. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't the stock market just for big men in suits or people with connections? But that's just a myth. The truth is, the Nigerian Stock Exchange is open to everyone, not just the elite or the super rich. In fact, it's for young people like you and me, students, hustlers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. If you start early, learn the ropes, and make smart moves, the money you can make is very, very real. And the best part, you don't need to be a financial genius to get started. Let me break it down for you in simple terms, so you can see how it all works and why it's such a powerful tool for building wealth. When you buy shares in companies like GT Bank, Dangote Cement, or MTN Nigeria, you're not just a customer anymore. You actually become a part owner of those companies. That means you have a stake in their success, and you get to share in their profits. Imagine this. Every time these companies make money, you get a piece of the action. That's called earning dividends. It's like getting paid just for believing in their business and holding on to your shares. Over time, those dividend payments can add up to serious passive income, money that comes in whether you're working, sleeping, or chilling with friends. Dividends are just one way to make money from stocks. It's pure passive income, and it can help you build wealth steadily over the years. But that's not all. There's another way stocks can make you rich. Stocks can also increase in value over time. When the companies you invest in grow, their share prices usually go up. That means the shares you bought for a certain price can be sold later for a much higher price. Let's say you buy shares for 10,000 naira, and after a few months or years, those shares are now worth 20,000 naira. That's a 100% return on your investment. You can sell your shares and pocket the difference. That's called capital gains, and it's how ordinary people, students, workers, even retirees, turn small money into big money. It's not a get-rich overnight scheme, but it's a proven way to grow your wealth over time. But let's be honest for a second. The stock market isn't magic, and it's not a place for reckless gambling. You need patience, you need to learn, and you need to be smart about your choices. The most successful investors are the ones who take time to study, read up on companies, and understand how the market works. They don't just follow the crowd or jump on every hot tip. They make informed decisions and stick to their plan, even when things get tough. And here's some good news. You don't need millions to get started. In fact, you can start investing with just a small amount of money. These days, opening a stock account is easier than ever. You can do it online, right from your phone, with as little as 5,000 naira. That's less than what some people spend on data or eating out in a week. My advice? Start small, but start now. Pick strong, reliable companies, ones that have a track record of success. Reinvest your dividends instead of spending them, and watch your investment grow over time. The earlier you start, the more your money can multiply. And remember, the stock market goes up and down. Prices can fluctuate daily, sometimes even hourly. Don't panic when you see red numbers or a dip in your portfolio. The people who truly get rich from stocks are the ones who stay consistent, keep learning, and don't chase after quick money. They understand that wealth is built over time, not overnight. And here's a secret. There's a ton of free information out there. YouTube channels, finance blogs, even TikTok creators are sharing tips and strategies every day. Take advantage of these resources. Learn before you leap. And never stop educating yourself. Don't just rely on market gist from your barber, your auntie, or random WhatsApp groups. Do your own research, verify what you hear, and make decisions based on facts, not rumors. The Nigerian stock market isn't some secret club for the privileged few. It's open to anyone who's hungry enough to build wealth and willing to put in the work. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or even a retiree, you can start your journey to financial freedom today. The opportunity is there for anyone who's ready to grab it. So are you ready to level up your finances and take control of your future? The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Open that stock account, start with what you have, and let your money start working for you. Don't let your hard-earned cash just sit in a savings account losing value to inflation. Put it to work and watch it grow. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button, share this video with your squad, and let's build wealth together. The journey is better when we all win. The future is bright for those who take action. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Don't wait for tomorrow. And hey, don't forget, bold subtitles popping effect. Stay tuned for more tips, and let's make this money work for us.